What would you do if a venomous snake right in front of you was about to strike? In a split second, instinct is unleashed. The head snaps upward, a ferocious bite lands like lightning, and the venom begins working within seconds. In nature, the hunts of venomous snakes are fast, precise, and nearly unstoppable. Today, you will witness terrifying venomous snake attacks, brutal hunts captured on camera. Brace yourself. Let's dive in. In this scene, a lizard moves across the ground, completely unaware it has fallen into the sights of a predator. Hidden behind it, the snake watches every movement, waiting for the perfect moment. Suddenly, the chase erupts. The lizard panics and flees, zigzagging wildly to escape. But many snakes can accelerate incredibly fast over short distances, closing the gap within seconds. The distance shrinks rapidly. With one precise lunge, the snake captures the lizard and quickly finishes the hunt. Deep in a humid tropical forest, a small poison frog quietly searches for food among fallen leaves. Its size may be small, but its body hides a terrifying defense mechanism. Many poison frogs can release toxins through their skin powerful enough to harm predators after just one contact. A snake approaches from behind, unaware of the danger ahead. Driven by hunting instinct, it lunges forward and strikes. But seconds later, everything changes. The snake begins thrashing violently, its body convulsing as toxins from the frog's skin affect its nervous system. Many frog toxins disrupt nerve signals and cause intense pain, forcing predators to lose control. Realizing its dangerous mistake, the snake releases the frog and slithers away in panic. A frog and a snake suddenly encounter each other on an open patch of ground. Both burst into motion in a brief chase. The frog's smooth, moist skin causes several of the snake's first bites to slip off. But it only takes one mistake. A single precise bite locks the prey in place. Many snakes do not need powerful venom. They only need to hold their prey long enough. Continuous struggling quickly drains the frog's strength. An indigo snake glides close to the ground, silently closing the distance to a rat ahead. By the time the rat senses danger, nearly every escape route is gone. Indigo snakes are non-venomous. Instead, they rely on powerful jaws to control prey. This species is known for hunting many animals from rodents and frogs to even other snakes. The bite pressure increases gradually. The prey's circulation begins to fail. The hunt ends in the quiet silence of nature. A rattlesnake waits silently in ambush. The distance between it and a mouse slowly shrinks. Rattlesnakes can strike faster than the human eye can blink. The bite happens instantly. The mouse begins convulsing and running erratically. This is not just pain. Rattlesnake venom attacks both the nervous system and blood tissues simultaneously, causing the body to lose control. Within minutes, the prey's reflexes fade away. On a dry tree branch, a chameleon stands perfectly still, trusting that its camouflage is enough to hide it from danger. But below, a venomous snake is quietly approaching. The chameleon quickly senses the threat. It opens its mouth wide, inflates its throat, and adopts a threatening posture. Snakes are extremely fast attackers, and many species can strike within just a fraction of a second. Suddenly, the attack happens. The snake's fangs pierce precisely into the prey's body, and the venom begins to spread. The chameleon tries to escape. In many snake species, venom does not kill the prey instantly, but gradually weakens the nervous system and the ability to move. But within moments, the snake locks firmly onto the prey, ending the hunt. In damp grass near the water's edge, a small snake quietly hunts. Just a few steps away, a frog rests completely unaware of the approaching danger. In a flash, the snake lunges and grabs the frog's leg. The frog thrashes violently, trying to escape the predator's backward curving teeth. But venom has already begun to work. Many snakes possess neurotoxins that disrupt signals between the brain and muscles, quickly removing control from the prey. Even though the frog is larger, it cannot escape. The snake slowly opens its flexible jaws and begins swallowing its prey. Near the riverbank, a grass snake approaches another frog. This time, the prey senses danger. A lightning-fast strike follows. The frog struggles desperately. But the snake's backward curving teeth prevent escape. The more the frog struggles, the deeper it becomes trapped. Grass snakes can expand their bodies dramatically while swallowing prey. For this snake, the frog is simply another meal. Near a nest on dry ground, a cobra quietly approaches. Eggs and chicks are easy meals for many snakes. But this time, the cobra faces a mother hen guarding her nest. Immediately, the hen spreads her wings and fluffs her feathers. In many bird species, the instinct to protect offspring can overcome natural fear. Each time the cobra approaches, the hen lunges forward and pecks aggressively. The confrontation grows tense. Eventually, the cobra retreats. Sometimes, in nature, the courage of a mother is enough to repel even a dangerous predator. In a confrontation between a snake and a centipede, size is not always the deciding factor. Snakes have the advantage of long-distance strikes. But centipedes excel at close combat. Dozens of legs allow them to cling to the ground and change direction instantly. More importantly, they possess venomous claws capable of injecting toxins directly into prey. The neurotoxic venom of large centipedes can paralyze small snakes. At close range, agility can sometimes be more dangerous than speed. Among dry tree roots, a coral snake suddenly becomes trapped. Its body is pinned and cannot move freely. A large centipede approaches from the side. Using its modified front legs, called forcipules, the centipede injects venom directly into the snake. The coral snake struggles but cannot escape its trapped position. The venom attacks both soft tissues and the nervous system. In the chain of survival, a single positional mistake can turn a hunter into prey. A green cobra is enjoying its meal, unaware that danger is approaching from behind. A coral snake suddenly strikes and bites the cobra's neck. Coral snakes possess extremely powerful neurotoxic venom that attacks the nervous system and paralyzes muscles. At first, the prey struggles violently. But the coral snake is in no hurry. It simply holds on and waits for the venom to take effect. As the prey's coordination fades, the coral snake moves toward the head and begins swallowing. One moment of distraction decides the outcome. What you've just seen shows why venomous snakes are among the most terrifying predators in nature. Speed, venom, and deadly precision turn every strike into a life-or-death moment. Which hunt surprised you the most? If you found this video thrilling and fascinating, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe so you won't miss more incredible wildlife encounters. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.